Hello guys and welcome. Let's be a little bit crazy today. I want to change my money which I have in my account and start to buy a couple of stocks. So one stock which I already bought, it is Alphabet, and with that I mean Google, and I want to have more of that. As well, today I want to buy Nike. After Nike, probably I buy a couple of Amazon stocks, maybe one or two of Coca-Cola, and probably I have to look if I have to change the currency, but probably not for today, but maybe in the future I will buy a couple of Alibaba stocks as well. So let's first start to change my money and see what is going on in my portfolio. As you can see, I'm at 9,352. So it is for me like always my all-time high because I invest a lot into my account and I have around 3,000 in cash in it, and I have to change it first into dollars. So let's start with that. For changing the currency, first we go to trade and click on convert currency. We choose my local currency and the currency that I want. I want USD. So let's change around 2,995. I don't know how much the fees are. Maybe I do 2,990. Let's check the fees. I click first on preview and see how much money is left. Commissions is 177. Okay. Then I can probably change more, because if I'm starting to change, I can change more. Okay, preview. Yes, the currency is still the same and it's 177 in fees. It's okay. Okay, let me do one more. So preview. Okay, perfect. Submit. Let's change the money. Let's see if it went through or not. Under my portfolio, as you can see, I have a little bit of USD. So let's start to buy a couple of stocks. For that, we go to my watch list because everything is inside of that which I want. Let us try if it works, but I buy 2 Alibaba stocks. Wait, I have to decline. I first have to see what is going on there. If I buy, I pay 34 to 36 cents in commissions. It's okay. Let's buy 2. We are on a Black Friday, right? Oh wait, what did I've done? I didn't check. Can I go back? Open orders. I can probably edit it under trade, orders and trade. Guys, I'm so excited. I don't even look what I'm doing. Wait, I will cancel that order. Decline. Cancel. Let me just cancel it. So again, I go on research and then to the watch list. Here are all the stocks that I want to buy. Here we have Alibaba and I want to buy 2 shares, but not for a limit. I want to buy it for the market price. And let us preview it. Okay, submit order. Okay, my order is filled. It's already through. I can see in my portfolio. I scroll a little bit down. I bought 4. Oh my god, I didn't want that. Okay, I have 4 now. I have 4 Alibaba stocks. The other one went through as well. So the next thing, let me check my cash because now I don't feel... Okay, that was a lot of cash for Alibaba stocks. I didn't want that, but okay. My next stock is Nike. We have it here. And with Nike, I want to buy 500 USD and I do it the market price and it went through. So let us check that in my portfolio. I bought Nike in the value of 500 USD. So I have almost 2,500 left. So we go again to my watch list and I want to have a little bit of ASML, but for that I will just buy in euros. So I don't have euros. Is it working with USD? Let us check that. Go to market. I don't know if it works. Let us check. Preview. Oh, see, the commissions and fees are a little higher. But let us try if it works. I will risk it. Order is pending. Okay, probably it won't work. Yes, I will cancel that. Okay, I canceled that because it doesn't make sense. So let us go back to my watch list. What is left? So I wanted to buy as well Amazon and Coca-Cola. For Coca-Cola, I just want to buy 100 USD. It's also euros. Oh god. Okay guys, it is not working that well. Okay, I will buy a couple of Alphabet. Let me first check how much I have left in my portfolio. Still 2,500. Okay. I will buy in USD again and I will buy it in 800 USD. We do the market price. And this is the great thing. You see, if I click on preview, it costs me almost nothing because it's a US stock and it is in a couple of seconds going through. So look, if I click on accept and it is already filled. So I have now around 10 stocks in Alphabet. No, 7.78 stocks in Alphabet. I don't want to wait because I have 1,760 and these are my biggest investments. Like always, I want to buy Wu. I don't care. How much was it? 1,700, 1,760. We click on USD and the amount that I want, do the market price. So I buy 1,758 USD in Wu in USD. Okay, wait, I made a mistake. Should be going through. I have 1,760 left. Let me just try again. I don't want to have shares. I want to have USD. Wait. What am I doing? 1,760. Okay, that should be working. What the heck? Is maybe 1,650 working? Or what is the problem? The cash quantity size of 1,000 does not conform to the minimum variation of 0.0 for this contract. I don't get it. Oh, there is buying power just 1,500. Okay. Let's do this. Oh God. Let me go to shares like this. Yeah, now you're working, eh? Now you're working. I want to have 3. It's not working. 2.7. 2.7 is working. Okay, let's buy just 2 and 2.7. Okay, I just bought 2.7. Woo. So let's see in my portfolio what is going on. So I have now 3.7 Woo and 7.78, almost 8 stocks of Google. I bought by accident 4 stocks of Alibaba. So this is a reason why you should watch my videos and learn from it. And I bought 6.4 stocks of Nike and I have 250 left and I want to buy one Amazon, but I don't think it will go through. So let us check. So we have here Amazon and I buy just one stock. One. It should work. 35 cents in commission. I made again the limit mistake. It's always happening, guys. Okay. I need to cancel that because I don't want it. Or maybe, wait, we cancel that. Go again to the watch list. Guys, you see the uncovered truth. So I buy one share with the market price of 217 and it is filled already. Perfect. Okay, let's check my portfolio. So I have my Woos. I have my almost 4 Woo ETFs. I have 8 Alphabet stocks. I have 1 Amazon stock. I've bought almost 6.5 stocks in Nike, 4 stocks in Alibaba, which I really don't know why I've did it. And I don't want to sell it immediately because it doesn't make sense to buy it and immediately sell it. Let us check what is going on with that in the future. And yeah. That's all for today's video, guys. It was a little chaotic, but we still have 33 USD left. Let me check something else. Should we buy a meme? Does it make sense? Wait. I want to see something. I want to see what is going on with GameStop. It was at almost 81 USD, guys. Should I do it or not? I do it. I buy one. We have nothing to lose, right? Life is too short. And we bought one GameStop stock. It doesn't make sense, but I did it. So yes, that's good. We have like $6 left and we bought a couple of single stocks, which I always told you I wouldn't recommend it, but I did it anyways, guys. Don't ask me why and what is going on with me, but I want to have a little bit more cash to put it into Woo, so I hope I make profit with the other stocks. A couple are for long term like Google and Amazon, or Nike, they are as well long term, but like GameStop is a meme. Alibaba is just a hope, and the rest, as you know, like these are my lithium stocks, which I really don't know what will happen, but these are as well for long term, and the rest is just like a couple of stocks which I bought earlier, and probably I will sell that in a couple of days, because here I just wanted to gain back my... Wait, guys. It is going through the roof. It is just by today, as you can see. I will probably buy that. I will watch that. And if I have the chance, I will sell that. Because just today it made $20 in profit. And if I have the chance, I will sell it and invest it as well into ASML. And if it goes a little bit more up, I can buy almost half of a share of ASML with that. Because this is a euro as well. And ASML is, for me, a better investment in comparison to a Coinbase stock, which I bought 2018. And it is the first time after 6 years at zero. Like I bought it for almost 300 and then it started to drop, and it was all the time like very low at half of the usual price which I bought it. So for that reason I will wait a little bit and then probably sell it and buy ASML. Oh guys, I don't care. I sell it now. I do it now. I sell my whole stock. I sold it, guys. I don't care. I don't care how much it will be. I just wanted to get back my money and then I will invest it into ASML and then I'm finished for today. I never did so many investments and as well with such a huge amount of money, but I wanted to show you, you don't have to think a lot, you have to think a lot, guys, and make your research. Don't do it like I did it. I don't know what is going on with me, but I wanted to do that and the rest we will see if it's worth it or not. Alright, thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye. Hello guys, one day is left and yesterday happened a lot of things and I don't know what was going on in my mind, but I had to do that. Don't ask me why. And right now, as you can see, I'm on a new record high. I'm at 9,378 and it is amazing to do such steps. But after yesterday, I have 1 or 2 things in my mind which I want to do. For that, we have to go to my portfolio so you can see it as well. I bought yesterday a couple of Woo stocks and as well Alphabet. Like I'm almost at 8 stocks, as well Nike. I have there around 7.4 stocks and Amazon and as well GameStop. But for that, I don't have any hope. I just bought it and will see if it goes again to an all-time high and generate the profit. That is the best example. Please don't follow my past transfers except the Woo transfer like into an ETF because these are a little bit riskier. But as you could see, I had a little bit more cash available. So for that reason, I wanted to do a little risky moves to play around. And there was all the time my hope that I have a little bit more money aside so I can play around. It makes more fun and I just want to spend like 1 or 2% of my available money for that. That means like if I put it into numbers around $100 to $200 per month, which I just want to play around, and the rest like really, I mean with that, my biggest investments, and with that there are as well huge numbers are always in my Woo ETF. So I start to grow that because there it doesn't matter if tomorrow is like any negative news or something similar which puts down a stock's value. So for that reason, I don't want to hold 4 stocks of Alibaba. I lose now a little bit of money, but I want to have it in the market price and I will sell 2 stocks and I hope the market is opened at the moment. Let me just preview it. I will lose a little bit of money, but yeah, the market is not opened. That means it will take a while. And if it's going through, I will buy with that money how much it left for Amazon stock. And I told you yesterday I sold my Coinbase stock, which I had. And with that money, I have almost 327 euros. And with that money, I want to do another transfer. I want to buy something else. And we go for that in my watch list and scroll to the bottom. And we have here the ASML holding. And let me just open it in a better view so every one of us can see it better. So as you can see, it is at the moment at 690 euros. And in an all-time high, it was almost cracking the 1,000 mark. Let me just try to get there. Almost cracking the 1,000 mark. And I think it will go up. So for that reason, the euros that I have in it, it will probably give me almost half of a stock. And let's see if I can make profit with that. So let me just double check because I think I have to left a little bit of money. In my account, I have 327. That means I have to go to my watch list, open SML, buy euros. So as you can see, the commissions and fees are a little bit higher in comparison to US stocks. So always if I sell a stock in euros or buy it from Europe, I have to pay more in commissions and fees. But if you do bigger transfers, it is not that expensive at all. So it will take me around 321 euros and I want to submit this order. And I didn't do the market price. I did again can I change it from here? Modify order. Yes, I can change it. Perfect. Okay. I buy 320 in cash to the market price. So I modify it. Cannot be modified. Perfect. Oh, it went through. I wasn't ready, but it's okay. Let me go a little bit down in my portfolio. And as you can see, yes, it put me the limit price. I am immediately in a loss of around 139. And the reason for that are just my commissions and fees, which I had to pay. Let's check that in a couple of weeks or months. and see if it get me back to a profit or not. But the Coinbase stock for me was too risky because I also have a little bit of crypto, and for that I don't need as well the stock, because if I invest in stocks I think about Google, Amazon and all the big players in my ETF. I don't want to have my crypto topic mixed with my stock topic. So that is the main reason why I didn't want it anymore. And as well, I bought my Coinbase stock in 2018 for around 300. And after that, for 6 years, it didn't generate me any money. And I always wanted to sell it. And I needed just a price where I say, okay, it is almost my invested money. And for that reason, I get a little bit of profit of it, like 20 euros or something like that. It's not that huge, but at all, I'm happy with my decision. I won't regret it. So let's see in the future what will happen with as well Coinbase stock. But for me, it's like Amazon stock, Google stock, etc. more relevant. Okay, my sales will go through, I think, in 1 or 2 hours, and then I will buy with the left USD. I try to buy as much Amazon as much I can, but probably then I will have around almost 2 Amazon stocks. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.
It's not a game, it's a